In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT using a Binance ID. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer USDT directly to another user's Binance account without needing their wallet address. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the wallet section, which is typically located in the top menu. After accessing your wallet, look for the withdraw option and select it. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. On the withdrawal screen, locate the list of cryptocurrencies and select USDT as the asset to send. Instead of entering a traditional wallet address, find and choose the option to send using a Binance ID. This feature allows for a more straightforward transfer, provided that you have the recipient's Binance UID. It is essential to ensure that the recipient has given you their correct Binance UID to avoid any issues. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's Binance UID in the designated field. Carefully type the UID to prevent any errors, as a mistake can lead to the loss of your funds. After entering the UID, specify the amount of USDT you wish to send. A transfer summary will appear on the screen, allowing you to review all details, including the recipient's UID and the amount you are sending. Make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Once you have verified the details, you will move on to the confirmation step. Binance requires you to complete certain security verifications for added safety. This usually includes entering a code sent to your email and an authenticator code from your authenticator app. After entering the required codes, confirm the transaction. Internal transfers are generally processed instantly, but it is wise to check your transfer history after a few moments to confirm that the transaction has been completed successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.